Hi. So in this video, it's just a tutorial to show you how to create posts if you want to do it on your own, because you've requested that we go through news, and then if you want to create new news updating all the time, you can actually do it on your own. So when you have your login details, you'll be able to log in. This is the back end of the site. You'll be faced with this situation here, which is called a dashboard. So to create your posts, you have to go on this link where it says posts, all posts, add new posts. So what I'm gonna do is, actually this is the one I created before. I'm actually gonna show you the home page. Just refresh. Right, so this is the home page. I've just created two posts. Here we can see that the title is named Limpopo Provincial Government Takes Actions Against Municipalities Implicated in the VBS. Then we can, when we go on the next one, which is, we click next, bear with me, I'm just gonna refresh again. Okay, when we go back, we can actually see, we can click next, we see another post that was created. When we click read more, we can see there's content in there. So to create a new post, you're gonna have to go on your dashboard, you create add new, you click add new, you enter the title of the post. So I'm just gonna create something again. This was the one I took before. So I'm just gonna scroll and see what I can do. So let's take this one for instance, or we can take this one. Yeah, just to make it short and sweet, we'll have something like this. So all you need to do is enter the title, and then what we're gonna do now is set a featured image. So we're gonna click this, but first we have to download the image first. So we have something like this. For example, we're gonna, let me just copy this for instance, because it's like provincial government. Then we're gonna save this image. When you set a featured image, it means that we want something to show on the website, on the front end of the website, an image that can see that this post is posted by a certain title. So when we click set featured image, we're gonna move the image on in there. So what you're gonna do is just drag it and put it there. Otherwise you can say upload files, you select a file, and then you go into your folder. So once you've selected it, you click set featured image, and that's it. So now you're gonna have to go up here, put it into the category news, or you can also have the option to create a new category, say sports or something like that. But for now we're gonna put news and click publish. Once that's published, you can go to click view post. So when we click view post, we can see the titles created there, the picture is there. Now we want to add content down here, which means like what the post is about. So we click here, enable visual builder, and we're just gonna be copying content. So we can just take all of this for now, start building. So I went back onto the page. You can click this first option, and then we're gonna set, since it's a call to action, it's gonna have a title and content. So when the title, where it says title, this is where we're gonna put our title. So we don't want to duplicate what it already says here, so we're gonna have to find a way to say it in our own words. So we're gonna say something like provincial Limpopo rejoices with sport at athletes. And then we have that down here. Then we're just gonna copy this content. So we have everything here. We have copied it in this section. Now we're gonna change the background of this. We go to design, text color, dark. So now we can see the title has been copied and everything is there. Then we can click this check mark, we click this button, we click save. Once that's saved, now we can see everything has been copied. So now what's left for us to do is just go back to the home page and see where our changes have been made. So when I go to home, click home, you can now see that these changes have been made. So we have now 3 posts that we've created here, and we can see that they can rotate. We can have contents just rotating. So if we want to change this, how this looks, we can actually have it to rotate without us having to click on it. So we can go here and say module options, design, animation, then we say auto animation on, and we put it to 5 seconds. So now every time it's just gonna be automating. Then we can save changes. Then every time the user is just gonna be rotating. And then yeah, that's done. So let me know if you have any questions and I'll be glad to attend to you. Thank you.